Hello, dear students. Today we are going to see about the project competition and its importance in the career of the B students and in engineering in general. So, when you have entered into the field of engineering, you have gone through the first year, second year, third year, and now you are in the final year. So, during this journey, the most important thing you have observed is that you are learning new technologies, new designs, new knowledge. At the same time, we have at the final year a project. So you have to complete this project within these 2 semesters, prepare a report, and submit it. So I assume that you are at the final stage of preparation of your project, and at our institute, that is JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Technology, which has merged into the JSPM University Pune, and now the Imperial College of Engineering and Technology will be called as School of Sciences and Technology. So we have arranged a project competition for the students. Now we'll see briefly what are the advantages and how we should proceed for the competition. So the first question may come to your mind is that why we have arranged this project competition? What is the purpose of this? So let me tell you that this project competition, first thing is why to do the project. The first question is in your mind. So there are many advantages of the doing the project. First is called as the experiential learning. So instead of learning through the theories, through the papers, through the notebooks, we have to gain the practical knowledge, which is very very important for the engineering. And that's why this is a experiential learning, means learning through the experiment. We learn much more things and we remember the things when we do a experiment instead of mugging it or making it by hand. So the practical exposure and making experiments or experiential learning is one of the major objective in performing the project. When we go for the second part, it is the accepting the challenges. So you'll find that in our life, daily life, you come across many problems. Many things are there for which we need a solution through the technology. Consider the example of the pandemic situation or the impact of coronavirus. We found that the world was locked down, and in this situation, we emphasize that there should be some solution to the coronavirus problem. There should be something there. So, scientists and engineers have to accept the problems, accept the challenges which are facing the mankind. So in the project, you design something new, something different, something problem to a real world solution. That is, you are accepting some challenges which are there embedded in the problem. So the projects are important. Then another important aspect of the doing project, because the project is normally done into the group of 3 or 4 students. So one of the objective is that you should be a good team member, good team leader. You should lead a team. You should coordinate the activities, divide the work, distribute the work, delegate the work, and get the maximum out of it. So output is the what project that you are doing. So a teamwork is very very important. So you will get a spirit, develop the spirit of the teamwork in this. Then another important aspect of doing the project is exploring new technologies. Whenever you are doing the project with some new ideas, you have to find out the new technologies, new solutions for this. And that's why you are side by side learning the new technologies and how these technologies will be applied into your project. Being an engineer, you must be exposed to the new technologies, must think about it and implement it in your project. Next is the learn technical writing. Yes, one of the important part of the project. You have done a good project, got good results, but the documentation in a systematic, scientific manner is very, very important, and that's why how to write it technically. What is the format of a project report? How to frame it? How to present the results? Everything is very, very important, and you learn in the project how to write technically perfectly so that the document will be accepted by the examiners or by the industry persons. Then next advantage we get is the it is a you might be thinking or everyone has a dream to get a good job. So if you have done the project carefully, very nicely, and very innovative and a very original one, friends, I want to tell you one thing, that do not copy any project. First thing is that you are cheating, you are making false statements to your guide, to your industry experts. So this is not the good project. So you have to do your own project with own idea. It does not mean that your project should run 100% or it will give you the best result in the world. No, but systematic development, formatting is also very, very important. And I will tell you, in many of the cases, many students got a good job because they have done the best projects in their life. So, project can lead to your better career, and it can lead to have a better job for you also. Because many times in the interview it is asked ki what kind of project you have done, on which system you have worked, and what is the output or working of this project. They will not ask you how many marks you have got in the examination and so on, because doing the project is learning something. It is a experimental or experiential or experiment learning. Then I will just give you the project overview and its importance. First thing is that why the project competitions are organized, or why we are organizing this in our college. The first purpose is that it aims to showcase the culmination of students' engineering skills by presenting innovative solutions to the real world problems, which is very, very important. An engineer is an applied person, he apply knowledge to solve the real life problems. Participation. Final year engineering students from various disciplines can participate individually or in teams, presenting their projects in front of a panel of judges and fellow students. So, presentation and participation is also very, very important. Next is evaluation. Your project will be evaluated based on the factors such as technical proficiency, creativity, problem solving approach, feasibility, and presentation skill. Next is the benefits. By doing a project or taking part into the competition, what benefits you are going to get? The project competition offers an opportunity to gain recognition, receive constructive feedback from the juries, from the industry experts. It is an opportunity for you to network with the industry professionals and enhance job prospectus through the recognition of outstanding project. Rewards. Remember that in these project competitions, we have exhibition also we have organized on 27th of May this month. Okay, but we are also going to give rewards for each and every department. There will be three prizes: first prize, second prize, and the third prize. So that is also very, very important that you must understand. So briefly we'll see what are the benefits of this. First is the recognition. Your project will be get recognized, your hard work, innovative ideas, and technical skills. It is a platform for this. You will get a very constructive feedback. Industry experts are coming and they are evaluating your project. So you will get valuable suggestions so as to improve it and to appear for the final examination. So this project competition is some sort of rehearsal some sort of drill work for you. One of the benefit is networking opportunities. Connect with the industry professionals, fellow participants, and individuals who will be guide you, who will recognize your talents. The other benefits also includes that enhance job prospectus, stand out to potential employers and increase job prospectus after graduation. As I said, project is one of the determining factor for you to be employed or not. When you are doing the project, your skill is also enhanced, your presentation skill will increase, your skill with handling the people, handling the material, machine will also increase, communication also will increase, and it will also give you a component of a personal growth. Challenge yourself, build resilience, confidence, and adaptability. So projects gives you much more benefits, and that's why you should concentrate on which are these benefits are there. Qualities developed in the project. What qualities you develop? You develop the confidence to build your own presentation, prepare your sentences in English, be in front of this, build it. And also, as I said, it is a useful for building up your skill set, English fluency, communication skill, making PowerPoint presentations, arranging them, organizing them, titling them, and so on. And also these projects, though it is very very small concept you have taken, whatever you have taken into your projects, it will give a insight into the innovation, something discovering new. And you will also understood ki what, in what way the research is to be done. So you will inculcate the research attitude in you, which is very very important for you to success in the engineering field. When we go for tips for success, what tips I can give, or what important things I can mention into this is, one is the proper planning. You have to make proper planning of your project. Who will explain which part of the project, how he will explain, how there will be correlation, how your project is organized, whether there are proper components placed, whether there is a proper naming or not, whether there is proper nomenclature, whether you have prepared one uh, write up or synopsis of your project indicating title, methodology, then results obtained, conclusion, references, books which have referred, and so on. Again, tips for success is that you should have a good coordination among all your peer members, that is everyone including the leader and members. They will develop the interpersonal skill, which is very very necessary for you to grow in the company or get the higher position in the company. Correct? Then you have thorough research. You have to stress the importance of conducting this project or doing this project which is related to the project topic. Encourage to gather relevant information, explore different perspectives, and stay updated with the latest development in the field. So, research is also very, very important for engineers. Then, polished presentations. You can use different medias, such as videos, combination of images, graphics, tables, statistics, and so on, to emphasize that how your project is important and how it is the current topic of research. So you can find a lot of topics, that is AI in manufacturing, AI in healthcare, data science related, then automatic vehicles related, electric vehicles related, many, many things are there. So what are tips I will give for the success is proper planning, effective teamwork, thorough research, and polished presentation. So what will you process in this? First thing is you should be very disciplined person, disciplined in the team and individual. You have to be very systematic, and you have to try to understand the process, the working of the complete project, and so on. So what are the steps in this process? First is the submit your synopsis and register with your project coordinator or head of the department. Then, before appearing for the competitions on 27 May, you have to show pre-demo to your project guide, get suggestions from them, and then appear for the final project exhibition or competitions. Okay, so these are the steps you have to follow in this. What prizes are we have kept there? So we have three types of prizes. The first is the it is for each and every department. That is, electronics and telecommunication will have different three prizes. Computer, civil, and mechanical engineering, they will have separate prizes. First prize will be a certificate and attractive cash prize. Second prize is also certificate and attractive cash prize. The third prize is a consolation prize, which is a certificate to encourage or to enhance this. So why we have kept these prizes? Because these are some sort of encouragement to you, some sort of recognition on the platform to you. These certificates you can carry with you, and you can also showcase it whenever there are personal interviews are there, or whenever you are appearing for any type of interview. In the project, it is important that you should do the cost analysis of your project. You should have a list of components. You should think how this project can be commercialized, how a product can be designed from this. Of course, whatever the project or prototype you have designed, that may not be highly efficient, maybe 100% perfect, but there is always a scope for improvement and to make it commercialize. So think about this product. Then you not only you can participate in the competition which is held in our college, but also you can participate in other colleges also. There is also, you might be knowing, Ministry of Human Resource Development conduct a competition every year that is called as the Smart India Hackathon. Okay, so you can also exhibit, take part into this hackathon and showcase your talents. Not only this, there are many different types of competitions organized by different colleges, universities. So you have to participate in, collect the prizes, certificates, and that will be one of the biggest achievement in your life as a bachelor of engineering, which will be useful for you to get a good job afterwards. Okay, now let's see about what should be after completing this project. What should be your future plans? You have to publish a paper, you have to contact guide, then search for a Scopus journal. Remember Scopus. Search it, Google it, find out which are the journals in your area, and you have to publish the paper as per the format given. Okay, attach this certificate in your report, which will be very valuable for you. This should be your future plan. Next is take part in, as I told you, many competitions. So competitions will make you aware different aspects of real world, get known and expand your horizons through the competitions. Next is the extend the project. Whatever you have done the project, there must be some drawbacks, there must be some limitations of this. So don't get nervous. Try to see that how a startup can be established or can be started from this. Get the information, awareness of the startup. How you can start a business with that project. Maybe mechanical engineering students or other way they can also start the workshop for manufacturing of this. You can also start consultancy after getting you a sufficient knowledge of this, and try to extend this into the real world applications. So, my friends, the projects are a very important part of your engineering, and which will lead you to develop your career, develop research methodology, skill development, and so on, which will be helpful for you throughout your life. Okay, so always be proud of your work. Whatever work you have done, whatever the marks you have earned in the examinations and so on, you should be proud of it. You should think about it and you should see how I can further excel into this. Don't stop when your project is completed. Take part into the different competitions, go for higher studies, extend your project ideas. Who knows, your project can be also patented. Okay, Publication is one thing. You can also make a patent, and it will become copyright of your own self. Okay. So this is a very brief uh, review of the project and project competitions which are we going to held in our college. Okay. So there are many videos, motivational videos, technological videos on this channel. So subscribe this channel, like this channel, and if you have any comments, any doubts, any queries you want to ask, you can put them into the comment box. So this is, I will say, one of the golden opportunity for you to take part into the competitions, which is very very important and which is mandatory, which will give a new dimension to your life or to your career. Take it in the positive way. If you have any difficulty, please contact your head of the department or even myself. We are always ready to help you. So we will stop here, and I wish you all the best for your projects, competitions, and your future journey in your life as an engineer. Thank you. Thank you so much.